everybody, Chris here from IPD, and it's countdown to garage sale. Garage sale's in a few days, May 19th, Saturday. We hope you can make it out. Right now I'm standing out in the receiving area, and we got a lot of fun things going on. Just a quick update. We got some new t-shirts coming in. These we will be giving away for free at garage sale. So when you attend, find somebody in customer service or outside in the main lot. We will give you a t-shirt for free. There's one catch. You have to wear it. We want you to put this on. We're gonna be taking a picture from the roof down onto the crowd with everybody wearing an IPD t-shirt to support Nursingale. This is showing our support for Nursingale. We want you to have one, but you're gonna put it on. So make sure and find somebody with an IPD t-shirt and we'll go from there. This year we got a bunch of as-is items out here at IPD. If there's something you're looking for, there might be a gem down here. We'll make you a deal. Come on in, talk to one of the guys. We'll have people manned out here from IPD talking about all these parts. They're gonna be familiar with the parts. If there's something that you're looking for, it's kind of our little swap meet area inside here. So that's something new this year. It's gonna be really cool. As you can tell, we've been saving up a lot of parts over the years. And this year we're gonna try and liquidate it. So let's head on outside. So here we are in the main lot, and it's actually really full with our actual IPD car show. But if you have a car, please give me a call because I'm curious to know what it looks like, what you've done to it. We might be able to find a spot. There's only a few spaces left. We might be able to squeeze in a few more cars if you are interested. The show and shine is going to be across the street. It's first come, first serve. It's a $5 donation, and that goes towards Nursingale. The swap meet, we still have plenty of spots. If you're planning on driving down and selling a bunch of products that you have or that you've been storing on the shelf that you want to get rid of, this is a great venue to get rid of those things. We have swap meet spaces available. They're $30 for each space, and that again goes directly to Nursingale. This year, we've got a bunch of different supporters on board. That's because we opened up a sponsorship level for the first time to support Nursingale. This year, our show is sponsored by Bosch. Bosch jumped on board. They really want to help out Nursingale, which is fantastic. Come on in. So a few other sponsors that we're really happy about this year. One is Mala. They're going to be here at IPD's garage sale representing with a sales rep. They're going to be talking about their products that they provide in the automotive aftermarket industry and what they do at the OEM level. So when you guys are here, check them out. We also have Herzog Meyer, which is a local Volvo dealership here in Portland, Oregon. They're going to be down here with their staff, a bunch of new Volvos. So if that's something that you're interested in, you'll definitely want to hit up a sales associate out there from Herzog Meyer. We appreciate the fact that they're a sponsor this year and that they jumped on board. We also have Mission Trading Company. Mission Trading is really passionate about IPD and Nursingale, and they've always been a big supporter, funneling and doing anything that they can to provide money and awareness for Nursingale. So we're glad that they're here. A big one this year is Glue One. They're an automotive tech firm based out of the San Francisco Bay Area, and they've got their fingers in the market in a bunch of different areas that you wouldn't think about. They are automotive related, but they also do fleet management, monitoring, data logging in the automotive industry, and they've got contacts that we've never even thought about before. One of them is called C# Corner. C# Corner is a fantastic company who does web development. They specialize in .NET, they specialize in C# and to provide web services for tons of companies around the world, and they're an affiliate of Glue Ones. They're jumping on board to help Nursingale this year. Another one is Stratus Platform. Now without Glue One, we wouldn't know about Stratus Platform. Stratus Platform is a blockchain provider. They do blockchain as a service. If you don't know about blockchain, check it out. It's definitely up and coming technology that is going to help the entire industry, not just automotive, but a lot of other facets within what we do on a daily basis. So thank you Stratus, thank you C# Corner, and thank you Glue One for jumping on board this year. It's going to be fantastic to just get all these different avenues to support Nursingale and help out. So we hope to see you guys on Saturday, May 19th. It's in a few days. The crew here at IPD is working really hard to get all that set up for you guys. We'll see you soon.